Hello and welcome to another repair video. This is just kind of I'm showing you another thing to check. If you've watched my video about dryers not drying and what to check, this here is a heating element from a Speed Queen, and its life was shortened significantly because the people who installed the dryer pushed the dryer up against the wall and there was a kink in the hose trapping the lint inside the dryer. And what ended up happening was this whole heating element, when you're drying your clothes, gets hot like a toaster, and it got caked with lint. You can see a little bit left there, and it's even singed, which is actually, you're getting into a pretty dangerous fire hazard at that point as well. But anyway, so when this was replaced, the repairman, we had it because it was under warranty, came in and took a look. And this whole thing was caked in lint, in dryer lint. And you can see right here, this broke because it got so hot and cold and contracting and expanding because it's trying to meet the temperature requirements. And our clothes were actually melting as they touched the vent in the dryer. So any of our plastic polymer clothing was getting melted. It was becoming quite a frustration. So anyway, this is one of the things you definitely want to check, buildup of lint, and you just take off the front cover at the bottom of your dryer. In most cases it's located around there and you should be able to see. But I hope that helps, and just giving you one more thing to check in hopes to repair your dryer, but you'll also increase the lifespan of your dryer if this is clean and kept clean. So make sure you have enough airflow going through, and make sure you check the heating element. I don't think I addressed that very well in the last video. So let me know if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the section below, and click subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thanks and have a great day.